Today I'll teach you how to change language in notebookLM. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to change language in notebookLM, which is a Google AI's note-taking tool, you need to follow this detailed step. You need to also note that this primarily affects the output language for generated content like summary or audio interviews. Now, the interface language may tie to your Google account settings. So for you to go to your notebookLM for your Google account, you're going to log into your Gmail account on a Chrome profile. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to notebooklm.google.com and it's going to lead you to this page here. Now, once you're on this page, what I want you to do is go to the far right of the page. And when you see your settings icon, you're going to click on that. And for the it's going to open up a dialog box. When you go down, I think on the fourth icon, you're going to see output language. You're going to click on output language. And here it's going to open up a dialog box that's going to ask you to configure settings. It's going to say you should choose your language override. And it says Deutsch here, but I'm going to click on it. And it's going to give me the option to choose other languages. Now we have a range of other languages on it, but I'm going to pick English. And I have English here. And I'm going to click on save. And just like that, I've been able to change the language on notebookLM. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.